This one JavaScript bug made me question my entire career. Same code, same function, but suddenly, it returns undefined. Ever copied a function and suddenly JavaScript forgets everything? Yeah, welcome to today's bug. So check this out. We've got a simple object, name, Arun, a nice little greet function. Everything looks clean, everything works. You call it, hello Arun, life is good. Now, here's where things go wrong. I take that same function and store it in another variable. Nothing crazy, right? Same function, same code. So I call it again. And hello, undefined? Wait, where did Arun go? Bro literally vanished. Same function, same logic, but suddenly JavaScript just forgets the name? Yeah, this is where things get interesting. Because the problem is not your code. The problem is this. In JavaScript, this is not fixed. It doesn't care where the function is written. It only cares about how the function is called. Let that sink in. When you call user greet, JavaScript says, okay, this function belongs to user, so this equals user and you get hello Arun. Perfect. But when you do this, const greetFn equals user greet. Now, the function is just floating around. No object, no owner, no context. So when you call greetFn, JavaScript is like, I don't know who this is. So this becomes undefined. And boom, hello undefined. Pain. So how do we fix it? Simple. We take control. We use bind. Const greetFn equals user greet. Bind user. What bind does is, it permanently attaches this to user. Now, no matter how you call the function, JavaScript remembers Arun. Call it again. Hello Arun, peace restored. And yeah, there are other ways to fix this, but bind is the cleanest and most reliable. So remember this one rule. This is decided at call time, not at write time. And if you don't control it, JavaScript will. And trust me, you don't want that. See you in the next bug.